Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Cascade flowers. Noble appearance, pleasant aroma, one of the most elegant options for the design of the backyard. Flower beds located on different levels give a special charm to the backyard of a private house. Water space. Before proceeding with the construction of a decorative pond, you should consult with specialists in preparing the soil and pouring concrete under the bowl of a pool, fontaine, or pond. Any water space, without a doubt, will make the backyard even more beautiful and give a special charm to the whole corner. Arch. A metal frame wrapped with a climbing plant creates a beautiful entrance to the backyard from any other part of the plot. Under a beautiful natural canopy, you can set up a table and hide from the scorching rays of the sun. A wall of plants. One of the unusual options for the design of the backyard is the use of plantations of coniferous trees, hiding from the indiscreet glances of passers-by the secluded places of the site. Instead of trees, decorative bushes, juniper, boxwood planted along the fence can be used. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.